Welcome back, YouTubers. It is me again, and I just got a call from a neighbor who said he was out on a side-by-side and he had a mechanical failure. So I'm going to head that way. I'm going to bring you along for the ride, and let's see if we can get him out. Well, I've made it down from the house, and I hit the trail system. He told me he was headed up to a place called Great Oak Park, which is a pretty steep hill, but I've done it many times. We do it all the time, but you just never know when a mechanical issue might arise, and you always got to have a support network to help you out of a situation, and we seem to have that here on the mountain. And just hang in there. I'll be there in a couple of minutes. I'll be right back with you. Okay, well, here we are. I just got to cross this little stream, which is not a problem. And let's see, let me get on the trail. Okay, so here we are. It's a pretty steep trail. I know pictures never do it justice, especially on video, but I put her down in the 4-low with the diff lock on, and let's start heading up. And it is slick. Been raining the past couple days. The trail is muddy and slick. Not ideal scenario, but we'll get them out. Gotta make it up there. Alright, well, I reached my location, and here she is. According to my neighbor, he broke a rear axle, or the rear axle came out of the differential, one or the two, but he's kind of in a precarious position. Our plan right now, let's get him straightened out. Maybe we can coast backwards down the hill. We're not sure, but I don't really think we want to try to pull it all the way up to the top. So let's get it strapped up and see what happens. Okay, well, I was pulling it backwards, and that wasn't quite working because we were just sliding, and I was about getting really close to this edge over here. So what we did is we hooked up a snatch block to my winch. I'm going to pull him backwards now and hopefully straighten his rear end out. So let's see how that goes. Seems to be working. Seems to be working great. Let me pull you some more. think you're good. Hang on. Okay, straightened out and got him going the right direction. we come up with now that he's on a flatter plane, and we can make a better decision on what's going on. It turns out I was wrong. It's not one of the axles. The actual drive shaft has come out of the differential. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're gonna do our best to get it out of here. And once we're at home, it should be easy to deal with. So,
watch out for the hot muffler.
Got the splines back in.
You want to pull it down against that bottom cross piece.
What's that gonna rest on? It should be right. Where is it? That way I can reach it. Little trail engineering.
All right, we got the splines back into the differential. He's trying to back up here, see if we can make it down. If he starts going forward, then I'm gonna find a place to turn around because I really don't want to back down all the way down this hill. So, he seems to be doing all right. Let's just hope it holds. All right, he's back there. Let's see how this goes. The trail fix is working. We're almost back to civilization. I can see light at the end of the tunnel, and we're coming up on hard trail. Should be no worries from here. And we are back to civilization, people. It worked. See, you got a couple people in a bad mood. You see that? They're in a bad mood. It back safe and sound, and in this instance what happened was the bracket that holds the rear differential in place, that came loose. It actually broke. I guess it's just a wear product, and it caused the rear drive shaft to come out of the housing. We were able to get it back together, use a ratcheting strap to hold it until we can get back to civilization, and we managed to get it done safe and sound. No one got hurt, and here we are, we're back at home. So listen, don't forget, support your local county and state first responders. They're always there for you, so we should be there for them.